The science of hiccups. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm spasms. Suddenly, it's this big dome-shaped muscle that sits in your ribcage that's responsible for breathing. When it spasms, it causes your lungs to fill with air really quickly. And because your throat is closed, the air can't escape, so it gets trapped. That's what makes you hiccup. It's annoying, but it's a harmless reflex. You get them when you eat too fast or drink too much, especially carbonated beverages. Sometimes your body just needs a little time to adjust. So if you've got hiccups right now, don't worry. Just follow these tips. Take a deep breath, hold it for 10 seconds, then let it out slowly. Or drink a glass of water really slowly. Or try eating a spoonful of peanut butter. If none of those things work, then I don't know what to tell you. Just relax and enjoy the hiccups. It'll be over soon. I'm here with Brainpop. And remember, if you want to learn something new every day, stay tuned for more fun science facts.